Types of dinosaurs. Hello young friends, today we are gonna time travel back into the past to explore the world of dinosaurs. But did you know that dinosaurs roamed the earth millions of years ago before humans? So what are you waiting? Let's go and know about the dinosaurs. Meet the mighty T-Rex. It was the king of dinosaurs. With its sharp teeth and powerful roars, it ruled the prehistoric world. Now say hello to the Triceratops. With its three horns and frill, it's like a prehistoric rhinoceros. Here comes the Stegosaurus. It has distinctive plates in his back and tail. It's like armor used for protection. Hold on your heads. The Velociraptor is on move. It was a very clever dinosaur, known for its speed and intelligence. Look up to the sky for Brachiosaurus. It was like a living skyscraper that loved munching on leaves with help of its long neck. Well, that's it for today. By the way, which dinosaur is your favorite? Let us know on comment section and keep watching our videos. Bye bye.